This is boiled rice sanna. Recipe very simple. 1.5 cup boiled rice, half cup idli rice or raw rice, and half cup of udit dal. You soak in water overnight, grind, and then you keep it to rest the next day. Also add some soda powder so that it can um, it can puff up, and that's it. Steam it, and the beautiful idli is ready for you. The beautiful Mangalore idli. That's the beautiful curry leaf chutney. Let me taste it. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. That's the batter I told you, which was soaked in water overnight and then ground the next day and kept for a whole day. It should be covered by a cloth and kept in a warm kind of atmosphere, not in the fridge, please, so that it can, puff up. All right. Beautiful boiled rice Mangaluru Sanna is ready and will be served. Tempering of the coconut curry leaf chutney is very important. So here I put some beautiful oil with some lovely mustard seeds. So once it starts to spatter, I will drop the curry leaves and then drop in the coconut chutney. There you go. I put some nice chilies, dry chilies. They are the spicy ones. And now I'm going to put some curry leaves. Wow, wow, wow. And I put some udit dal also. There you see, I just dropped my udit dal. Okay, that's the udit dal. Okay. Just to remind you, instead of half cup of udit dal, you can put 1 cup, but it depends. You need to do some research. And puff up means fermentation. All right, fermentation, ferment. All right. There you go. Beautiful temper is done for the coconut curry leaf chutney. Now I have to give it a nice stir. The beautiful spoon. Wow. Looking good, eh? Just wash the dish. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Now the chutney is ready. And I will get the beautiful boiled rice sanna or Kerala rice sanna or the mutter rice sanna or the mutter rice idli will come soon to you. For the coconut chutney, it's grated coconut, tamarind, a small ball of tamarind. You can put green chilies, a little bit of garlic, and then you can put, maybe you want a little bit of coriander leaves, not a problem. And tempering, mustard seeds, udit dal, curry leaves. Put a lot of fresh curry leaves for the chutney while you are, mixing, putting it in your mixie. And I can tell you, for the temper, add these red chilies. Okay, these chilies are a bit spicy and they are good for your temper. Okay, so I told you all the ingredients for this beautiful curry leaf coconut chutney. So now I'll show you the other way. I'm using the different aluminium bowls, and I've greased it at the bottom with the beautiful oil. You can grease it with butter if you want. Okay, and add your batter. Okay, the nicely puffed up batter. Make sure your steaming vessel has got sufficient water at the bottom, and we will soon complete the 5 fill up and close the lid, and probably 15 minutes the beautiful Kerala boiled rice idli will be ready, and you can have it with beautiful coconut chutney or maybe pork. So let me try and slowly add another one on top. Let's create a beautiful pyramid. Okay, lovely pyramid. And now it's time for me to shut the lid. So it's 5 and 6 and 7. There you go. 15 minutes. So the beautiful boiled rice Kerala Matta rice idli is ready with chutney. Let's go. All black with beautiful white idlis made of boiled rice. Some lovely beautiful curry leaf and coconut chutney with some beautiful temper of this lovely mustard and urad dal with curry leaves and the beautiful spicy red chili. Cheers guys, enjoy. So that's another variation of the Mangalore Kerala boiled rice, mutton rice sanna. Beautiful sanna, very easy, very simple recipe. It's 1.5 cup of boiled rice, and you can put 1 cup or half a cup of urad dal, half cup of idli rice or raw rice, and the beautiful coconut curry leaf chutney. You can see how fluffy they are. Voila! Woohoo! Very spongy, very nice. Ferment it, the mixture, keep it overnight, and then ferment it with the soda powder. And the next day, you make sure you grind it and store it in a nice warm place where later on you can see it coming up, puffing up. It's time for you to steam this beautiful boiled rice sannas. Cheers guys and enjoy.